Double crochet 3 together. What you're doing is picking up 3 stitches below and ending up with 1 stitch on top. The process is very easy if you just know the pattern. Let's do it together. To double crochet 3 together, what you're doing is making double crochet stitches no matter what stitch you're working into below. Begin as if you're going to make a normal double crochet. Yarn over and insert your hook into the indicated stitch where your decrease should begin. Yarn over and pull up a loop. There are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. There are 2 loops on the hook. You've made 1 leg into the first stitch below. Yarn over and insert your hook into the next stitch, which is the middle of your decrease. Yarn over and pull up a loop. There are 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over and only pull through 2. There are 3 loops on the hook. You've made another leg into the stitch below. Yarn over and insert your hook into the 3rd stitch that will complete your decrease. Yarn over and pull up a loop. There are now 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. There are 4 loops on the hook, and you've made your 3rd leg. Now, yarn over and pull through all 4 loops on the hook. You've made double crochet 3 together. Let's do it just one more time. Begin by yarning over and inserting your hook into the stitch that will begin your increase. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2. You've made a leg below and there are 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and insert your hook into the stitch that will be the middle of your decrease. Pull up a loop, and there are 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. There are 3 loops on your hook, and you've made 2 legs into 2 stitches below. Yarn over and insert your hook into the last stitch that will complete the decrease. Pull up a loop, and there are 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2, leaving 4 loops on the hook and 3 legs below. Yarn over and pull through every loop left on the hook. All you're doing is pulling through 2, pulling through 2, pulling through 2, and then pulling through every loop left on the hook.